just slice the chicken so you can see inside it's moist and it's well done. It's well done. Blessing everyone, blessings from Eat Good TV. Today I'm making whole roasted chicken. It's gonna be very juicy and nice whole chicken. I'm gonna put it in the oven so it can be roasted. These are all the ingredients we need. And this is complete season, 1 tablespoon complete season, and complete season have garlic powder and onion powder. But if you want to use extra, you can use extra. And this is all-purpose seasoning, island spice, a tablespoon, and a teaspoon of salt. And the chicken is washed with lemon and vinegar. So I'm just gonna mix this together and then I'm gonna season inside of the chicken. And the outside of the chicken. And the back of the chicken. Make sure it's seasoned properly. The wings, I like everything to be nice and well seasoned. And then inside of the chicken I'm gonna put some onion. I'm just gonna stuff it with some onion. Onion give it a lot of flavor. I can hold 2 onions up here, 2 small onions. And some thyme. And Scotch bonnet pepper. Scallion. I push all of this up into the cavity so all the flavor can get into the chicken. And I'm half.
No, put a whole one.
A whole one in there?
Yeah.
No,
so you're going to cook out half. You're going to cook out.
Okay, alright, a whole one.
Yeah.
Whole Scotch bonnet if you can't eat it. I don't like pepper. Okay, whole Scotch bonnet up there. And a half a garlic. You can just cut the garlic and put it up there. You don't have to peel it. Just cut it. Get on my cutting board. Just cut the garlic and put it up there too. All of that is a lot of flavor. Okay. That's it. See, everything up there. Just finish this little bit on it. You can let this marinate overnight is best. You can let it marinate overnight. Or one hour. You can do it 1 to 2 hours or overnight is best. That's it. Well stuffed. Because we want a great presentation, make sure you tie the legs. Make sure the legs is tied properly. Thanksgiving coming up. This is a nice recipe for Thanksgiving. Just tight. That's good. I'm just peeling the carrot to add to the chicken, the carrot and the potato and the onions. I just cut them in two and I'm just gonna put them in the pan to cook. Peel the potatoes. Oh. You can have it for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or every day you can have it. It's gonna be so juicy and delicious when you make it. It's gonna be delicious. So just try it. Thanksgiving is coming up, Christmas is coming up. Just try this whole chicken. I'm just adding some complete season on the vegetable. So all the vegetable get a little seasoning. Cooking spray, if you want to just sprinkle a little olive oil before you put the season on, you can. And add some spray on the chicken, just a little spray for crispy skin. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees and place your chicken in the oven. This is the chicken and I'm just gonna fold a piece of paper to cover. I'm gonna put a wax paper, foil paper, just to cover the breast, that the breast don't burn. I'm just gonna tear a piece of aluminum foil and put a piece of wax paper over it. And if you don't have wax paper, you don't have to use it. But I like to cover the aluminum foil. Breast don't burn. I'm just gonna push it back in the oven. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna remove the chicken and I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna rest it for about 15 minutes before I cut it. There you have it, family, your roasted chicken. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.